front of me I've got iPhone SE 2022. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and enter Display and Brightness. Now, from this menu you can select between light and dark mode, enable automatic dark mode, and schedule it between sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. Next, you can change brightness level of your display, enable or disable true tone, night shift, change auto lock between 30 seconds or never, enable or disable raise to wake, change text size, enable or disable bold text, and adjust display zoom between standard and zoomed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.